Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. We can now lock WhatsApp with Fingerprint Touch ID or PIN. However, your mobile have fingerprint option. You can use this fingerprint features. If you don't have, you can lock your WhatsApp with PIN. To lock your WhatsApp with fingerprint, open your WhatsApp. This method support for WhatsApp Business and general WhatsApp. I am gonna use WhatsApp Business for this tutorial. If you are using Android and iPhone, this path same. Open setting. Select privacy. Find screen lock. Then you can see required Touch ID. Enable it and keep the low setting immediately. Here we go. If you don't have Touch ID features on your mobile, you can use PIN to lock your WhatsApp. To lock WhatsApp with PIN, open your WhatsApp. Find the setting from top right corner. Then select account. Finally select two-step verification. Press the green button. Add your PIN with 6 digits. Retype the PIN. Now WhatsApp asks email for backup for PIN. You can give an email address for this, or you can simply ignore it. Now your WhatsApp locked with PIN. You can now open your WhatsApp account with your PIN. This is the all simple tutorial. Give a comment. Is it work or not? Subscribe me to watch future videos. Thank you.